Keep it steady. Get the edges. Moving the hopper in now. Watch your step. We're good here. Measure here. Looks aligned.
Verified.
Verified.
Keep it steady. Guide the taglines. Buckets clearing the edge. Lower it slowly into the pour zone. Verified depth. Pouring now. Hold tension on the tagline.
Lower 2 meters, slowly.
Ready for the final seating. Keep it steady. Down a little more.
Vibrators ready. Let it flow.
Watch the rebar. Consolidate.
Keep it steady. Watch the tagline on the left. Slow and easy on the suspension. Ready to connect hooks. Verified. All connections are secure. Keep it steady. Down 5 feet. Stop. Align left. Engage brakes. We're clear.
Line up the section. Slow and steady. Clear the exclusion zone. Stand back. Engage the bolts. Check the torque. Alignment correct. Lowering initiated.
Monitoring all parameters. Perfect fit.
Success.
Torque wrench is set. Applying pressure now. Reading looks good. All right, let's test the valve. Check the pressure gauge.
The flow remains stable. Readings are within the expected range. Structural performance confirmed.
The penstock is filled.
Rotation initiating.
Vibration levels are stable.
Confirmed. The generator excitation test is commencing. Shaft rotation confirmed steady. Monitoring conditions for stability. The first unit is operational. Test sequence initiated on Unit 2. Monitor all parameters. Stand clear, welding complete. The pressure looks normal. Check the bearing vibration sensor.
Keep it steady. Check the oil pressure. Readings are stable, all good. Watch the clearance on that insulator.
The surfaces appear stable, consistent with previous readings.
Move the sensor to grid coordinates B14.
Readings are within tolerance. Continue monitoring.
Crane, hold the bearing. Lower it slowly. Copy, lowering now. Watch the alignment. Just a little more. Looks good, send the wrenches.